I made a bunch of amigurumi fruit, so now it was time to make them a basket. I began with a magic ring and made a big circle to be big enough for the bottom of the basket. Once it was big enough, I made one round with no increases, followed by another round into the back loops only. Then continued making rows around for the walls of the basket. The next step was making the strap. So I started making a long chain and then, making sure that it's not twisted, I connected it to the other side of the basket. Then slip stitch into the next stitch and crocheted all the way back to the beginning. Connected with another slip stitch, and then made one more row. Now all that was left was sewing in the little ends. And the basket was all ready. I think I need to fill it up more, so I'm gonna be on my way to make some more fruit. See you later!